Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Welcome to Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes on this Sunday, June the 23rd, 2019. What a fantastic weekend we are enjoying here. And today really is a no-brainer. So I think I'm going to focus my attention on the week ahead because we are going to see some changes. But the one thing we can say for sure is that we're not going to be getting into any kind of long duration stalled fronts to the south, onshore flows, showers and thunderstorms every single, what seems to be every single waking minute of every single day. That's just not going to happen. But in the meantime, for the rest of today, it's just a beauty. We've got dry, clear skies up from New England all the way down into Virginia. You get a few patchy clouds here and there. It's low humidity, a nice breeze, temperatures up into the 80s, cooler temperatures if you're headed for the shore. It's a straightforward forecast from, again, northeastern Virginia all the way up into New England. So let's take a look at where we're going in the longer term as far as this week is concerned. First off, as far as Monday goes, I think we're going to see sunshine giving way to arriving clouds. So certainly nothing worse than that. We're going to start to see this nice upper high that's sitting over us today giving way up until at least through today anyway. We're getting this dry flow coming down out of Canada. You've got these troughs, a lot of action going on back out through the plains, but that's all getting kept out to the west and being deflected to our north. So we're not seeing any issues from that. I don't think we're going to get into any serious problems here. The system pulls out, but that trough in the west lifts up pretty far to the west. And we actually go to a flow that isn't really that bad. We've got this, we're kind of on the edge here of hot weather. We'll see hot and humid conditions, or very warm to borderline hot, humid conditions coming up as we go through the week. You've got high pressure sitting off the coast. The west trough goes along the west coast, so you don't you got a nice ridge there, a nice upper high that builds out in the plain. So that's going to keep us borderline hot, and it's going to keep us somewhat humid. But with that jet stream fairly close by, what it also does is that it allows for the possibility that every once in a while you get some disturbances to move along in the flow. And if one is strong enough, you can bring a cold front through and clean house and move on to the next shot of dry air. So that may come later next weekend. So I think from the standpoint of the kind of weather we certainly have been experiencing during the spring, we're not going to be seeing that come back this week. So if you've got the week off, this is vacation week for you. I think you picked a pretty decent week. Not perfect every step of the way, but most of the time it'll be fine. So let's go through Monday. We are going to see this warm front approaching with some showers and storms. This map is for Monday afternoon. I think a lot of what you see in Pennsylvania here is overdone. Maybe there'll be a couple of scattered cells there for Tuesday morning. This is when a warm front comes through. That's when I think we'll see the best chance for some showers and thunderstorms during the early morning hours on Tuesday, going into just after, say, 8 or 9 a.m. from west to east. And then it's very warm and humid after that. Probably just some pop-ups around on Wednesday and again on Thursday. A little upper air disturbance coming through Thursday, a little trough. And Friday looks good. Next Saturday, well, that's the day I think that we'll see some kind of cold front move on through, or at least approach, and it's going to be coming down from the northwest. So we'll probably see some late day showers and storms next Saturday, and then next Sunday we might be sitting pretty much in the same spot that we're sitting in this Sunday, with a flow coming in from the north, from Canada, bringing down some nice dry air. So as far as temperatures are concerned, Tuesday to me marks the first day with the warm tropical air trying to come in. If you're in southern Pennsylvania down into the Washington, D.C., Baltimore area, Virginia, southern New Jersey, you're looking at mid-80s to near 90 with high humidity. North and east of there, it's 70s to around 80 until the warm front gets by. Monday, we're going to see our temperatures probably be mostly into the 80s as the warm front approaches, maybe a little bit cooler along the coast. And then for the rest of the week, I think we could just probably say straightforward. It's 80s to around 90 or mid 80s to low 90s at the absolute worst. Humidity levels on the uncomfortable side, but not horribly oppressive, and that chance for pop-up storms each day. All right, folks, that wraps it up today for Weather in 5. Thanks for being here, and I hope your weekend was a good one. We will see you tomorrow. In the meantime, you can follow along all the summer weather by downloading my free weather app on Google Play or on the App Store. Just search meteorologist Joe Cioffi, or just plain old Joe Cioffi if you're on Google Play. And there's a link. There's a link here to the post of the video. If you're on Facebook, there's a button on my Facebook page. There are links on my website. So it's really, really easy to find. Download the app. It's free. Update is coming very soon. That'll make it even easier than it already is. Enjoy, and we'll see you tomorrow on Weather in 5.